पूरा देश एक है। और
शरद जी, आपको लगता है कि सरकार ने जो स्टेप उठाया वो सही
पूरा
स्टेप था?
देश एक है और सरकार जो है और फौज जो है उसको पूरी ताकत के साथ हम लोगों ने समर्थन किया है।
तो एक कंसेंसस निकला है सर आज की मीटिंग के बाद?
नहीं, जरूर। देश पहले से भी ऐसे मामलों में संकट के समय एक रहता है।
शरद जी, आपको लगता है कि सरकार ने सही जवाब दिया पाकिस्तान को और ये जवाब दिया जाना चाहिए था?
मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि जो
आदमी को, जवान को कोई नुकसान नहीं पहुंचा और वो सुरक्षित वापस अपने मुल्क में आए। हमने उनको बधाई दी और कहा कि कोई भी टेररिस्ट अटैक या टेररिज्म को ख़त्म करने के लिए जो पाकिस्तान की तरफ से हमारे देश पे थोपा जा रहा है, उस टेररिज्म को ख़त्म करने के लिए जो भी कदम सरकार उठाएगी, हमारा उसका समर्थन हमेशा रहेगा। हमारी फौज को मकसद हमारा है कि टेररिज्म खत्म हो जाए और पाकिस्तान ऐसी टेररिस्ट एक्टिविटीज को कोई सहयोग या समर्थन न दे।
ज्यादा कोई डिटेल नहीं, सिर्फ ये क्या 2 एरियाज जो टारगेट किए गए, एक कुपवारा के सामने, एक जो है पूंछ के सामने। और वहाँ पे उनके जो लॉन्च पैड्स हैं उनको जो है डिस्ट्रॉय किए। क्या डिटेल्स है, क्या नहीं, क्या हुआ, मतलब उसके बारे में कुछ नहीं। नहीं, you see, we please from our side, I have congratulated the Indian Army for these operations. Good, that is good. But what exactly is the overall assessment? They said it will take a little time to make that assessment. So let us see. Let's wait and see.
You told that how the dialogue will be the best process.
So I still think, I'll still say.
Okay.
I still say. I mean, this is not the answer. When dialogue has to be there, and that dialogue will have to also begin. But how that will be done depends on. Depends on how. Now we'll have to wait and see what will be the reaction.
Was there any discussion about the retaliation, the probable retaliation?
No, nothing. I mean, we have no idea.
Called an all-party meeting. The Home Minister. The backdrop of this all-party meeting. Wherein the government wanted to inform all political parties of the country the surgical operations conducted by Indian Army to foil the attempts of terrorist launching pads from Pakistan, and the details were given by Director General of Military Operations. At 5 important places from Kupwara to Poonch. Our government and army has received some intelligence reports in the recent days that again attempts are being made to infiltrate terrorists and also create havoc not only in Jammu and Kashmir but also in some important towns of the country. Taking that information, the army has worked out a detailed counter-terrorist action plan and did a surgical operation successfully. This information in detail was shared with all political party leaders by the Director General of Military Operations. From the government side, the Honorable Home Minister, External Affairs Minister, Finance Minister, myself, Defence Minister and other senior ministers were all present. Members of the Congress Party, NCP, CPM, BSP, Telugu Desam, Lok Janshakti Party, Shiv Sena, and all were there. All the participants in the meeting.
Terrorism.
Well, we'll try and get more of what the Information and Broadcasting Minister's brief in just a bit. But we have just got more inputs on what actually was shared during the all-party meet.
Very happy
about Army taking this initiative, because the other side they have been testing our patience. Our this coordinated effort in all the sectors simultaneously was appreciated by one and all. और सबने आर्मी को हार्दिक बधाई दिया और सबने कहा ये पाकिस्तान को मालूम हो गया, इसको हम लोग आगे ऐसी घटनाओं को बर्दाश्त नहीं करेंगे और देश के हित में हमारा देश का सुरक्षा और हम सब लोग मिलकर एक साथ रहेंगे, ऐसा सबने कहा है. These launching pads are located in 5-6 areas. Some of them
मैडम थोड़ा सर पीछे कर लो, आप पीछे कर लो.
Surgical operation. The details will be known after some more time, because all these forces which have taken on to the level of 6,000 feet altitude also, they have all just come back and they will be reaching their respective headquarters. After that, further details will be known. And the only thing we want to say is this operation is made in order to foil the attempts of our neighbor, because our neighbor has been aiding, abetting, funding, training terrorists for long. So this is in response to what they have done in the recent days and what they are planning to do in the future also. So this was appreciated by one and all. And then the country, the feedback which we are receiving and also what has been said by other leaders is the entire country, people are very happy about the swift action taken by the army and under the leadership of the Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. The country has conveyed to Pakistan that such actions will not be tolerated.
So Pakistan has dismissed the surgical strikes. How do you really respond to
What
that?
else they can say?
Sir, will physical evidence be shared with the country?
ये
Will it be
क्वेश्चन
shown?
आंसर का विषय नहीं है, कोई रिएक्शन का जरूरत नहीं है, जो एक्शन होना चाहिए